Hi traders, welcome to my channel once again. This is OT Josh and I'm here for a new video. So as usual, we'll be trading based on volume and price analysis, VPA, using 1 minute time frame on binary options. So let's look at what we have in the charts now. After I take my trades, I will do well to explain the trades. So let's start. What do we have here? We have the Bollinger Band as our volatility indicator. So let's see what's happening in these markets. Okay, you can see the market is moving in an uptrend, but the uptrend is losing momentum. You see the uptrend is losing momentum, so wait for a clear direction now, and when we get a clear direction, we trade. You can see it's breakout from this level, breakout with this bullish candle. Okay, let's wait. If it comes back down, okay, yeah, I got it right there. So when this trade closes, we are going to do our next 2 trades and then explain. So I'll be telling you why I took this trade here. Okay, I'll take another trade immediately. Oh, I almost got this. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I took it at a better point now. So let me plot the next line here. Good. And after this trade, we should be taking yet another trade. Okay, if the market comes back down to this level, this line I drew here, I'll take the last call. Otherwise I won't do nothing for now. Okay, no, I won't do anything. I'll wait. And I'll just use this newly formed resistance as my next reference point. I'll be waiting for the market to break up from these points. I'll wait. The market has shown me sign of weakness at this level. I would like to do puts because the market has shown me with this candlestick it's a sign of weakness in this uptrend, so at least for maybe 1 or 2 minutes the market should be reversing. Let's see. Okay, that's that. So quickly let's take a recap of these trades. These trades I've taken is solely based on the breakout strategy. Every of these trades is based on the breakout strategy, and then the reason why I choose to trade this way is because I've seen this uptrend. The uptrend is obvious, so I decided to use this strategy as it is the best. It will be the best method to trade, instead of whenever you see a trend like this, whenever you see a trend line, forget about price reaching out for the edges of the trend line. Just all you need is to do breakout trades and the rest. You don't need to wait for price to get here before you trade, or price to get here before you trade. Otherwise you are going to wait, you are going to lose patience, and you may end up blowing up your account. So for this particular trade, what do we have? We have this area of resistance, and this area of support. I'm not getting this right. This area of resistance, and here we have area of support. See, so this candlestick broke this resistance. This huge candlestick broke this resistance with this high volume. As you can see, this volume is higher than the previous volume. So what happens immediately this candlestick broke? You can go into this next candle with a call, but I did not go with a call because then I just opened the chart, so I had to wait for a pullback to the level again. So after this candle, this, I saw this candle coming up with a low volume, this candlestick coming up with a low volume, lower than this previous weak candle. Now this is my clue to trade. If you can see this candle, let me remove. Okay, if you see this, compare these two candles, this candle is a weak candle and it has this high volume, although low, but in relation to this it's high. You see this candle is bigger than this candle, yet it has a low volume. Now we are at this, the support level. It was resistance before, since we have a breakout here it became support. If we are at the support level and we are seeing this anomaly here, it means buyers are coming in. That was why I did the call, and we got that in the morning. The next trade, the same scenario. Now we're seeing this huge breakout candle here. With also a high volume. You see this candlestick breakout from this resistance, and look, high volume. You see this candlestick and this candlestick, the same thing happened. Breakout with high volume, call. Breakout with high volume, call. This is a very high probability strategy, the breakout strategy. Now when it broke out, what happened is that after the breakout, I saw that price stopped here at this resistance. It broke out this resistance but did not go up further, so I entered into the call, assuming this candlestick breakout would be as large as this. Let's say this breakout was like this. Let's say like this. Yes, if this breakout was like this, I wouldn't have gone with this call. I'll wait for the pullback down and then I'll go with the call. So that's just, and then the last one, yes, the last one was this. Now why I did this call, why I did this puts, was because looking at this volume here, this after this first breakout, you can see the volume for this first breakout high, right? You can see the volume is high, breakout, volume high. Now the next candle, which is the pullback candle, the volume became low, which is fine by me, although it's a sign of weakness, but it's okay. But the main signal came here. If you look at this candle, very weak, but the candle became the highest candle, and the 2 weeks here, these 2 weeks has formed a potential resistance level. You can see this candlestick and this candlestick weak, they have formed potential resistance level. So when I saw this weak candle, and I know that right now the market is moving in waves, it moves up, down, up. So I knew the market was going to make the downward move. So when I saw this candle with high volume, I knew it was time. So I did this put, and I should have done this. I should have done this trade and probably this trade, but then we got our trades for today. So that is the explanation for the videos for today. As you can see, the market has come back to this resistance level, to this previous support level, and it's going up again, but I believe there is a change of trend coming up. So that is that for this video. So viewers, traders, if you like my video, please do a like. If you have a question, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and do well to share the video in your social media platforms. I'll be more than happy to respond to your comments. So that will be that for today. I'll be seeing you soon in our next video. So bye for now.